Because I told him I'm a senior in high school. Like, I graduated in 4 months. I'll be in college in the fall, like this fall, whatever. And then I'll be like
Whoa, whoa,
19 this
whoa.
fall too.
Oh, shit. Wait, I don't even know. Oh, fuck. That just. I'm going to have to edit that part out. Because that's.
Why?
I don't know. Isn't that like
why?
illegal or something?
Why the.
You're in high school. You're a high schooler.
No,
Like, is this
senior.
illegal?
I'm legal. No.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so it's okay.
I'm 18 years old.
Oh, but you're still in high school.
You see the thing about that though is that like literally like I have to literally like not assure people, but like whenever I say, oh, I'm 18 and I'm in high school, like, but I'm a senior, like I graduated in 4 months, like I have to like make sure.
You got 4 months. See, that's a whole other thing. You got 4 months to like promote yourself as an 18-year-old high school student. Like, that's, like you'll have all kinds of
fetish?
It's gotta be. Why are teachers banging all the high school girls?